Introducing the BUDHAN HLP2 Cigarette Packing Machine by BUDHAN Engineering's Private Limited, the cutting-edge solution for efficient and versatile cigarette packaging. Boost productivity with 100 to 180 packets per minute, handling high-volume production without compromising quality. The HLP2 offers flexibility, packing 10, 20, or custom numbers of cigarettes per box. Each cigarette is wrapped in premium aluminum foil, ensuring freshness and quality. Featuring Delta PLC controls and an intuitive HMI touch display, the HLP2 provides real-time monitoring and precise management. Streamlined production flow maximizes output while reducing downtime. High-precision embossing rollers, advanced cutter head technology, and accurate foil-length cutting ensure visually appealing packs. Our unique inner frame unit synchronizes bundle and frame movements for perfect packing precision. The zero-tolerance blank pusher ensures consistent and reliable operation. Quality control is enhanced with an intelligent ejecting unit that removes substandard packets, aided by cigarette and filter mist sensors. The dryer drum with 4 high-performance heaters ensures optimal dryness and glue drying. Maintenance is minimized with a centralized lubrication system and SMC pneumatics. Clients report significant improvements in efficiency and quality. Ready to revolutionize your production line? Visit www.budhan.com. BUDHAN Engineering's Private Limited, pioneering the future of packaging technology.